Hi friends, thanks for tuning in to Chillin with Chino. Thank you so much for tuning in. It's been a while since I've done one of these videos, but this is going to be an unboxing of the Sanrio Lootcrate. This is one of the more recent ones. I'm actually 2 behind, so you'll see another video after this with another Lootcrate box opening. But this one actually came in 2 parts, and hopefully we'll find out the reason why. If you guys are interested in signing up for these Lootcrate boxes, I'll link all of the information down below in the description. And I believe all of these boxes are actually $39 plus shipping and handling, so you guys could get your own, and like I said, I'll link all that stuff down below. And I believe I saw a discount code for you guys to use. It's no promo or anything, but like I said, $39.99 for a crate plus shipping. And there's a code right now that's NYCCLOOT 2018 for 25% off. You guys could take a look at that if you want to get your loot crate and a discount. And like I said, I'll link all this information down below. But also, do you guys like my sparkly case? Thank you, AliExpress. No promo, because I bought this on my own. But I actually have another AliExpress haul that's coming out as well, so stay tuned. But let's get to it. This box is just like all the other Sanrio Lootcrate boxes. It is black, white, and red, and it says small gift with the Hello Kitty bow. And you have all of the Sanrio characters. Well, not all, but you have Choco Cap, Pom Pom Purin, Bad Bats Maru, Hello Kitty, My Melody, Karopi, and Pochako. See, Lootcrate, Sanrio, love. Let's open up this bad boy. So you can still see it is still sealed down here, and I will need something to cut this open with. And thankfully, I have my handy dandy Teflon knife, which is being sponsored by Sears. I'm just kidding. This is just my regular cooking knife, but it's open. Let's see what we got. Dun, da, da, da. It's Hello Kitty as a mermaid. Isn't she just so precious? And, okay, so first things first, I have a little Pom Pom Purin toy, which is attached to the packaging. So we will open that now. Oh, cute! I have no idea what it is. Okay, it's Pom Pom. Oh, they're stickers! Pom Pom Purin stickers. Cute, huh? Ding! I love it, love it, love it. I actually also have a Pom Pom Purin wheel cover for my car, so go Team Pom Pom Purin. Okay, box. Now, what I have learned from the past is, this is gonna be really cute, but there is a little thing. Oh my gosh, I died. I'm getting peeks and I'm not telling you guys what they are. There is this sheet which says Splash. So I'm assuming this is a Splash themed Sanrio Lootcrate theme, but this is so cute. So it has little twin stars. I keep forgetting the name of this guy. What is his name? Dang it. Oh, Hang Yodon. If I'm pronouncing that wrong, will someone correct me? But yes. So we will go through these items, but it also has twin stars, Hang Yodon, Hello Kitty in the middle, we have My Melody and Tuxedo Sam. We'll put this, I won't read the descriptions because we're actually going to go through the items. And first thing, cute! It's a tank top that I will never wear. Actually, yeah, I won't be wearing this. But it is very, very, very cute. Maybe I could give this away. But what is it? It's like the C version of Hello Kitty and Friends. So, what is that? The Hang Yoden, My Melody, Tuxedo Sam, Hello Kitty, and Twin Stars. It's like a teal tank top. Actually, can I rock this without getting punched? I don't know. Probably not. But let's see what the description says about this one. Handy dandy reference guide. So this is a multi-character tank top. Go overboard in this tank top featuring a super cute print of My Melody, Little Twin Stars, Tuxedo Sam, and Hang Yoden visiting Mermaid Hello Kitty in her castle under the sea. Well, that is pretty darn cute. Wouldn't you agree? Very, very, very cute. Okay. Oh, and on the back, it has like a little seashell thing. Cute, huh? What do we have next? Ooh, isn't it so shiny, shimmery? This is super cute. Look it. Oh my gosh, it's so glam. So it is a little, it looks like a cosmetics pouch with the same characters. Tuxedo Sam, Hello Kitty, Little Twin Stars, Hang Yoden, and My Melody. The little charm on the zipper is a seashell. You open it up and it's see-through, but it has like this pearly iridescent color to it, which is really cool. And on the top it's silver. Maybe I could put some of my swag in here, like my cell phone accessories, passport stuff, toiletries. Very cute. Very, very, very cute. So this is item number 2, or technically 3, but let's see what it says about it. Multi-character toiletry pouch. Keep all the essentials close at hand in this clear, holographic pouch featuring a Mermaid, Hello Kitty, My Melody, Little Twin Stars, Tuxedo Sam, and Hang Yoden. How cute is that? So cute. Love it. What else do we have here? It's an embroidered pin set that has Hang Yoden, Hello Kitty as a mermaid, and Tuxedo Sam, and their embroidered pins. That is so cute. I'm actually not going to open this, but you just fasten them with a safety pin. There's safety pin. Actually, I said I'm not going to open it, but I'm going to open it. Because that's what an unboxing is all about. And there's a safety pin on the back. Like so. Very cute. So I think I mentioned before in one of these videos is that all of these items are unique to the Sanrio Lootcrate collaboration, meaning that you cannot, to my knowledge, buy these items outside of the Loot Crate. Yep. So this is very, very, very cute. Love this. You can stick this on like a backpack, or your clothes, or like a lanyard. Very, very, very cute. Okay, embroidered patch pin set. Remember all your underwater adventures, even on dry land. Accessorized with this kawaii embroidered pin set featuring Hello Kitty, Tuxedo Sam, and Hang Yoden. We'll consider it done. Ding! What else do we got there? It's a Hello Kitty mermaid doll. And she's like ombre. She's so stinky cute. Like, I feel like if you bought all of these items at Sanrio, like, you'd probably spend over $40. But these are like really cute items. Look at her. She's so cute and cuddly. And there's like a little clip here. See? Did I read? Like, no, I did not read about this. What does it say? This pretty Hello Kitty mermaid plush makes waves with her beautiful rainbow tail and bow. Clip her anywhere so she's always along for the voyage. We'll consider it done. So cute. Love. And then, so I got this letter inside. It says, "Hi there, looter. We all hope you're enjoying your splash themed Sanrio crate. We have one more super cute item to share with you, but it needs a little more time to arrive. Your exclusive multi-characters sarong will ship separately in early August, so please be on the lookout for it during that time. We're very sorry for this inconvenience. If you have any questions or concerns, please reach out to our customer support team at loot.cr/help for assistance. Thank you so much for your patience. Team Sanrio Small Gift Crate." Well, and that is why I got this. Now, I don't use sarongs per se, but I'm not opposed to other people wearing sarongs. So this would actually make like a really cute gift. Or, actually it's super pretty. Very, very, very pretty. I can't even see myself. But it is very like silky, and it has all of the Sanrio characters that were mentioned earlier. Twin Stars, My Melody, Henyoden, and Hello Kitty. Very, very, very cute. Actually, this would be cute as like a wall thing. Like if you put it on a wall to decorate your room, or like a little throw, or like a little thingamabobber like that. I don't know what you guys do with these, but if one of you lucky subscribers are watching and you're interested in some of this stuff, let me know, because I might just be giving a giveaway. So, what should we have you guys put in the comments? Tell me your favorite Hello Kitty character and why. Go! Or not Hello Kitty character. That would have been a trick. Sanrio character. Why? And you also have to subscribe and give this video a thumbs up and click on the notification. Not that I can monitor that, but if you want some of this swag, let me know. Okay, so that is the end of this box. This is, again, the Sanrio Splash Lootcrate. And look at the cute inside of the box. Hi, do I speak English? Look at the cute inside of this box. Look how cute the inside of this box is. Very, 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 very cute. If you guys like this video, please give this video a thumbs up. Hit the little bell notification so you get notified every time I put out a new video. And please feel free to leave a comment down below. It's always so nice to hear from you guys, and I've gotten some recent comments where you guys have said that you guys have been going through a rough time, and after seeing my video, you guys got cheered up, or you really like the items, and I really like engaging with you guys. So if you guys want to be pen pals on Gmail or something, holla at me. Leave your information in the comment section below, or let me know how I could reach out to you through an Instagram handle or Twitter or whatever. Like I said, I hope you guys enjoyed this as much as I enjoyed making this video. Please feel free to subscribe, leave a comment down below, give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to hit that bell notification. As always, you guys, please take care of yourselves and each other. More importantly, be kind and be loved. Take care, guys. Have a good one. Bye!